Assalamualaikum, good morning. How are you, student? I hope you all are fine. First, I would like to start by introducing myself. My name is Miss Aisha Riaz and I am your math teacher. So today we are going to solve new exercise number 2.4, chapter number 2, systems of real numbers, radicals and exponents. To solve the questions of exercise number 2.4, I make a video. So now let's come to the video. Student, this is chapter number 2, exercise number 2.4. Question is simplify, and question number 1 is 3 divided by 12 has whole power 6. So we have need to simplify this question. Equal to 3 divided by 12 has whole power 6. 3 and 12 both exist on one table, so 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. 1 divided by 4 has whole power 6. Power 6 is also with 1 and power 6 is also with 4. So we can write it in a separate form. 4 has power 6. 1 power 6 is equal to 1. And 4 power 6. So we write 4 6 times 4 multiplied by 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 4. We write 4 6 times. So we get the answer 1 divided by 4096. This is the answer. Question number 2, minus 12 divided by 5 has whole power 5. So power 5 is also with minus 12 and power 5 is also with 5. So we can write it in a separate form. Minus 12 has power 5 divided by 5 has power 5. We can write it minus 12 5 times minus 12 multiplied by minus 12 multiplied by minus 12 multiplied by minus 12 multiplied by minus 12. And we also write 5 times 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So minus 12, we multiply minus 12 5 times, so we get the answer 2,48,832 and minus sign, because base minus 12, base is negative and has odd power, so answer in a negative form. And we multiply 5 times, so we get the answer 3,125. So this is the answer. Question number 3, a divided by b has whole power 6. So power 6 is also with a and power 6 is also with b. So we can write it in a separate form. A has power 6 and b has power 6, and this is the answer. Question number 4 is L divided by M has whole power minus cube. So we write L divided by M has whole power minus cube. L divided by M has whole power minus cube. Minus cube is also with L and minus cube is also with M. So we write it in a separate form. M has power minus cube. We have our power in a negative form, so first we have need to convert negative power into positive. So we make it positive by changing the position of L and M. M in a denominator, so we change the position of M in a numerator, and L in a numerator, so we change the position of L in a denominator. So we get the power in a positive form. So M cube divided by L cube, this is the answer. Question number 5. 8a square b divided by 3cd has whole power minus square. Minus square is also with 8a square b and minus square is also with 3cd. So we can write it in a separate form. So 8 has power minus square. A square has power minus square. B has power minus square. Divided by 3 has power minus square. C has power minus square and D has power minus square. So we write all the term in a separate form. 8 has power minus square. 2 2s are 4, so a minus 4. b minus square as it is, divided by 3 has power minus square as it is, c has power minus square as it is, g has power minus square as it is. So we solve this. 8 has power minus square. All power in a negative form, so first we have need to change the power in a positive. So we change the position. न्यूमिनेटर डिनोमिनेटर में कर देंगे और डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमिनेटर में कर देंगे टू चेंज द पावर फ्रॉम नेगेटिव टू पॉजिटिव. सो वी चेंज द पोजीशन ऑफ अ बेस. जो डिनोमिनेटर में था उसे न्यूमिनेटर में कर दिया और जो न्यूमिनेटर में था उसे डिनोमिनेटर में करके हमने पावर को फ्रॉम नेगेटिव टू पॉजिटिव चेंज कर दिया. सो वी सॉल्व दिस. 3 स्क्वायर which is equal to 9, c square as it is, d square as it is, 8 square which is equal to 64, a4 and b square as it is. So this is the answer. 9c square d square divided by 64 a4 b square. Question number 6. Minus 3x cube y square divided by 2ut has whole power 4. So 4 is also with minus 3 has power 4, x cube has power 4, y square has power 4. We write it in a separate form. 2 has power 4, u has power 4 and t has power 4. In this question we have a positive power. So we start to solve this question. Minus 3 has power 4. So we multiply minus 3 4 times. Which is equal to 81 and 8 cube square. So 3 4s are 12. Y 2 4s are 8. Y 8 divided by 2 has power 4 which is equal to 16. U has power 4 and T has power 4 as it is. So this is the answer. 81. X has power 12, Y has power 8 divided by 16, U has power 4, T has power 4. This is the answer. Question number 7. 2a square b cube c4 divided by 3l square v w cube has whole power 6. So we write it in a separate form. 2 has power 6, a square has power 6, b cube has power 6, c4 has power 6 divided by 3 has power 6, L square has power 6, V has power 6 and W cube has power 6. 2 has power 6, so we multiply 2 6 times. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, so we get the answer 64. 2 has power 6 which is equal to 64. A 2 multiplied by 6. A M N, so power multiply, so 2 multiplied by 6. 3 6 are 18, C and 4 6 are 24. 3 has power 6, so we multiply 3 6 times. 3 multiplied by 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 3. Three has power 6 equal to 729. L 2 multiplied by 6, L 12, V 6 and W has power 18. 64, A 12, B 18, C 24 divided by 729. L has power 12, V has power 6, W has power 18. This is the answer. Question number 8. 17b has power 7, c has power 6 divided by 7x cube y square has whole power square. So we write it in a separate form. 17 has power square, 17 square, b 7 square, c 5 square, 7 square, x cube square, y square square. 17 square, so we multiply 17 2 times. 17 multiplied by 17 which is equal to 289. 7 2s are 14, so B has power 14, and 5 2s are 10, so C has power 10. We apply formula A power M power N. M multiplied by N, so power आपस में multiply हो जाएगी. 7 has power square, so 7 7s are 49. X 3 2s are 6, and Y 2 2s are 4. This is the answer. Question number 9 is 18x4 y cube z square divided by 6ab square c5 has whole power cube. So 6 and 18 both exist on a one table. So we can cancel out this. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So we write 3x4 y cube z square divided by a b square c5 whole power cube. We can write it in a separate form. 3 has power cube, x4 power cube, y cube power cube, z square cube divided by a cube, b square cube, c5 cube. 3 has power cube, so we multiply 3 times, so 27. X 4 multiplied by 3, so x 12. Y 3 multiplied by 3, so y 9. Z 2 multiplied by 3, so z 6. A cube, B 2 3s are 6, B 6, 5 3s are 15, so C 15. We apply this formula A M multiplied by N. Power multiply हो रही है, so we multiply the power. 27 x has power 12, y has power 9, 6 has power, z has power 6 divided by a cube, b has power 6, c has power 15. This is the answer. Question number 10 is minus 30 x has power 10, y has power 8 divided by minus 5, x has power cube, y has power square equal minus 30 x 10 y has power 8 divided by minus 5 x cube y square whole power square. Minus 5 and 30. 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30. Minus 6 minus minus cancel out कर देंगे, so positive 6. X 10 y has power 8 divided by x cube y square whole power square. So we can write it in a separate form. 6 has power square, x has power 10 square, y has power 8 square, 8 cube square, y square square. 6 has power square, so we multiply 6 2 times, 6 6 are 36. X 10 2s are 20, so x has power 20. Y 8 multiplied by 2, so y has power 16. X 3 2s are 6, y has power 6. Y 2 multiplied by 2, so y has power 4. So we can write it in a separate form. 36 multiply x has power 20 divided by x has power 6 multiply y has power 16 divided by y has power 4. So here we apply a has power m divided by a has power n. So base are same and have divide sign, so power will be subtract. So 36 multiply x base are same, so we write it one time, and 20 minus 6 power subtract हो गई. Y and 16 minus 4, so 36 multiply by 20 minus 6 which is equal to 14, x is power 14 multiply 16 minus 4 which is equal to 12, so y has power 12. This is the answer. Question number 11 is 3a cube b square c has power 6 divided by x y z has whole power minus 5. 3a cube b square c has power 6 divided by x y z has whole power minus 5. We can write it in a separate form. 3 has power minus 5, a cube has power minus 5, b square has power minus 5, c has power 6 minus 5, x has power minus 5, y has power minus 5, z has power minus 5, 3 has power minus 5. So first we need to change the negative power into positive form. So to make it in a positive form, we change the position. न्यूमिनेटर में है तो डिनोमिनेटर में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे, डिनोमिनेटर में है तो न्यूमिनेटर में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे. x माइनस 5, y माइनस 5, z माइनस 5 डिनोमिनेटर में है तो न्यूमिनेटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. सब पावर पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी. डिवाइडेड बाय एंड 3 न्यूमिनेटर में है ऊपर वाली लाइन, सो डिनोमिनेटर में लिख देंगे 3s पावर 5, a क्यूब पावर 5, 3 5 is 15, 2 5 is 10, so b has power 10, 6 5 is 30, so c has power 30. So we write x has power 5, y has power 5, z has power 5 divided by 3 has power 5, which is equal to 243, a power 15, b has power 10, c has power 30. This is the answer. Question number 12 is y m power 4, 3 power cube, y power square divided by 6, m power square, n power square, p has whole power square. 12, m has power 4, n cube, p square divided by 6, m square, n square, p has whole power square. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, so 2 m power 4, n cube, p square divided by m square, n square, p has whole power square. So we can write it in a separate form. 2 power square, m power 4 square, n cube power square, p square power square divided by m square square, n square square, and p square. 2 has power square, so we multiply 2 to the 4, m 4 to the 8, so m has power 4. I write formula here. We multiply the power 4 to the 8 and 3 to the 6, so n has power 6, p has power 4. 2 to the 4, m has power 4, n has power 4, and p square. So we can write it in a separate form because base are same, so we write it in a separate form. m8 divided by m has power 4 multiply n power 6 divided by n power 4, m p power 4 divided by p square. So we write a formula here. Base are same and have a divide sign between them, so power will be subtract. So we write it here. 4 multiply, base are same, so we write m one time and power subtract 8 minus 4, n one time 6 minus 4, p 4 minus 2, 8 minus 4, so 4, n square, p square. So 4 m power 4, n square, p square, this is the answer. So students, I hope you all understand all the questions. If you have any question, any query related to this exercise, you can ask in a Google Classroom comment section and mark your attendance on a Google Classroom comment section. So now we will meet on our next video. So till Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.